Stay back.
Why is that a top room I did when I got a shirt to use?
What is up, best ones worldwide? It's the best one, Donnie here, back with a new vlog. This is like the first time I haven't vlogged like this is non-wrestling, so this is kind of weird. But if you're not a best one yet, help support the channel by hitting that subscribe button now, turning on the post notifications. Because of course you already know, the grind is real. I was waiting for Tyrone to do that. But right now we are heading to the beach. Where are we going? What beach are we going to?
We're going to Ocean Beach.
Nude Beach.
In New London, Connecticut.
We're going to a nude beach. Let's go.
Nude Beach.
Yeah, so now we just got to pick up Hitman. We're going to get some freaking drinks because it is early in the morning on a weekend.
It's 7 o'clock.
Yeah,
We're having drinks
We
this
should
early.
have been left an hour ago.
No.
9 minutes ago.
Yes.
Let's get the show on the road.
So we are going to be heading out. So
We're 9 minutes
hope you
late.
guys
Hurry up,
enjoy
Donnie. Get off the
enjoy
phone.
the montage. Help me!
Help! Why don't you remember?
Help me! My life! We have arrived! Ocean Beach, baby. Let's go. Tyrone's got the umbrella. I got the chair. Gabby's got the cooler. We're big chillin'. First time here. It's gonna be a good time. Nice, relaxing Saturday. Let's go. You excited, babe?
Yeah.
You excited, Brooke? Are you excited, Hitman? Are you excited, T-Bone? That's up.
I just come to the beach for no reason.
Yep, Tyrone was planning this for a year. How does it feel? You're planning this for over a year.
Good. Finally, people finally listen to me. It's a good step in the right direction.
Hashtag misunderstood.
Look at that water slide.
This is awesome. All right, going on the sand, baby. Oh, yeah. Man, what a night. This is a really nice beach, though.
That seagull right there is our lifeguard.
Sandbox Cafe, so that's good.
I hereby name this spot mine.
Oh, got it. You want one, Brooke, too? Don Brady. still got it. Oh. Hey, what's going on, T-Bone? Dude, this is so cold. No fucking
Oh
way.
my god.
This is my first time seeing a jellyfish. Dude, I see a jellyfish. Let's
Oh,
go.
you should try touching it.
Oh, I ain't touching that. Go.
Gotta stay back a little bit. A natural animal in its habitat. This is what you call a chicken. They peck you and it really hurts. Stay back. That's a chicken.
Right now, just laying here in the towel. We got Gabby up above me. What did you forget at the beach, Gabby?
I forgot a towel, but that's okay because why let a towel ruin my day when I got a shirt to use?
Yeah, and
Should I lay it on the ground?
what does the sun do for you?
Oh, give you a nice sexy turning, black burn, tan. Gotta take advantage of this day.
Yes, sir. There's T-Bone. T-Bone being a jellyfish right now. Damn, T-Bone, you looking like you coming out of Baywatch right now.
Which Baywatch though? The original?
Yeah, the original Mitch. No way none of us are close to Dwayne Johnson.
I can hope. His name ain't Donnie, it's Chicken Tender.
Yourself. Here's a little update right now. I am just chilling with the umbrella.
Here's a big update. I'm making sand angels.
Yep, Tyrone's making sand angels. Gabby's sleeping. Brooke is just like chilling. And Meadow's just been in the shade the whole time.
Not the whole time.
Donnie's in the shade too, don't worry.
Yeah, no, I'm in the shade right now. But yeah, I am right now under the umbrella. And then pretty soon, gonna go friggin' back to the ocean and, you know, enjoy the water.
I'm gonna go see Shark Boy.
Gabby, how is it laying on your clothes?
Oh, better than a freaking towel. Makes me sweat.
How you feel about that, Tyrone?
I don't care whatever floats Big Gabby's boat me. I'm just standing out here.
You having a good time, babe?
Yeah. Got my water bottle.
20 minutes up yet.
No, it's only like halfway through.
Gabby, make a noise at it.
Squawk.
Squad!
It's not a cat. You can't.
Squad!
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let's feel something. Hey. 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 Said be it. Freaking little bird.
Hey guys.
Go get him, Brock.
Bro, go scared away.
Yo, what's going over to that one?
Oh my god. These birds out here, they're vultures. They're not even seagulls anymore. Brooke, don't even go for it. No, the bird.
Man, this sand is hot.
I met Sandy Cheeks today.
How was
A lot
it?
of them.
I know.
One hour later.
Woo, that is a wrap for the beach for today. We all had a good time.
Yes. Yeah.
No, I did. I had an amazing time. All my idea.
Yes, sir. You had a good time, Hitman?
Of course I had fun. Why wouldn't I?
But yeah, so Right now we're just packing up our stuff and then we're gonna explore a little bit and grab a bite. Where are we at, man?
Oh, somewhere where I never went, the Lobster Dock.
That's right, we're here at Scott's Lobster Dock. And we're gonna try this for the first time. And we're gonna see how it is. What did you order?
Tenders for fries.
Good job, Hitman.
Yeah, well, that was all.
Pretty much the Donnie meal.
Yeah.
Time to take a nice bite of these. They don't come close to Cape Cod, but these are really good though. Better than what we got around us. Fries, you know, it's typical, like, you know, like at like a clam shack, like, you know, the fries are just, you know, regular fries. I'm gonna get an onion ring as well. Now these are busting. Do you want to introduce us to somebody special in your life?
Someone very special. This is my special friend, and you already know. He ate duck up here. He ate duck. Yeah. He's Mumble from the movie Happy Feet. My best friend.
Hi, Happy Feet.
No, it's Mumble.
Oh, okay.